back to the channel. I am Miss Lovely, back with another video. And you guys, as you can see from the title below, this is going to be my first clean with me / decorate with me. As you guys already know, me and my husband recently purchased a house, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of time and dedication to get everything how you want it. So I'm like, you know what? You know, when you first move into a house, of course, you don't really know the people who were living in the house prior to you. So therefore, I'm going to go through and do some speed cleaning for you guys. This is going to be my upstairs bathroom. This is the bathroom that's going to be used by my children, which are, they're 14 and 11, and they're boys. So therefore, I've got to go in and really clean, make sure everything is good before they start using the bathroom. Well, actually, they've already started using the bathroom, but I'm going in here to basically thoroughly clean the bathroom my way and put down a rug, which is like a gray color rug. If you look right here, you'll see that it's actually gray, but on camera it's coming off like it's dirty, but it's not dirty, I promise you. I just bought it, but it's gray. The colors are like the theme that I'm really going for them in their bathroom is like a blue, gray, white, rustic color. Because they're boys, I didn't really want their bathroom to be like too blingy and girly and lavish and stuff like that. Not, you know, I want their bathroom to kind of be functional yet nice for them. So I'm just going to do my first clean with me. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to go in here, clean their bathroom for them, put down the shower curtain, put down a rug, and a wall piece that I actually got from Roses. Roses in my area is going out of business, so they had everything half off. So I got the rug half off, the shower curtain half off, and I got like a wall decor piece, but you'll see it in the actual video. So anyways, I'm done running my mouth. Excuse my hair. I just woke up. I just took my braids out. Y'all already know how it go. We keep it real on this channel. Okay. But if you are new to the channel, welcome. I am Miss Lovely. If you like more videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. And yes, you guys, so let's go.